I'm Jim Lampley. This is the 10th anniversary of this United States Grand Prix at Carlsbad, the most prestigious motocross race in the United States. It's a sport which has grown enormously in popularity in this country over those 10 years, and in which Americans have become more and more competitive. So much so that it's almost a surprise that no American has yet won here at Carlsbad.
Now they go, and they're off the gate. We'll look for the man who gets the whole shot coming out of that curve. And it's going to be a surprise leader. Number 23, Marty Moates from down the road in San Diego, an American who doesn't race on the world circuit, out on the course. Marty Moates from down the road in San Diego has opened up a big lead on the European princes of this sport who are trailing behind him. And that is more than a big surprise, a very pleasant surprise, definitely, for the Californians who line the course and are there to cheer for Brad Lackey. But right now, they'll be screaming for Marty Moates.
This is amazing. This young man is only a privateer. He's not backed by a factory. And there he is out in front of the best riders in the world. It's absolutely amazing. He's obviously, in my view, closing up, and now he's really feeling the pressure because he can hear him, and from time to time actually see him.
Oh, there was Marty Moates, straight off of the course. You see him falling down next to the fence there. A momentary loss of concentration, and that has cost him the lead. His Carlsbad has gone by him to take over the leadership. It is now coming alive for both Laporte and for Marty Moates, who's back up and in third place within hailing distance of the leader.
That's astonishing. Moates is really moving around this circuit. Laporte is certainly an excellent rider, but I must say I'm beginning to be very impressed by Moates.
So Carlsbad holds the lead, and he's being pressed by his lead.
And Moates, of course, is spurred on by the crowd.
They came to cheer for Lackey. They're cheering now for Marty Moates. He has a hand in the air already, and now he'll look for the checkered flag. There it is. Pulls off the goggles, throws them into the crowd. He'll have to go out and try to do it one more time. Carlsbad to Sweden. The question now, can Moates do it again? There he is, to the right of his screen, on the inside as he comes off the line, looking for the whole shot to give the lead in the second moto, and it looks as though he's going to have it. Marty Moates, for the second consecutive time, has come off the line first and taken the lead as they go out onto the course. And there you see the rest of the field coming around the turn and onto the course behind him. But the big story now continues for 23-year-old Marty Moates of San Diego. The crowd goes absolutely wild as they see him in the lead. Here in Carlsbad is in absolute heaven. They're watching a rank outsider, Marty Moates, battling against the establishment American motocross of Brad Lackey. And the duo is heating up. Now here comes Lackey on the inside. The same pace he passed Bruno earlier, and now he's gotten Marty Moates. At the bottom of the Carlsbad freeway, Brad Lackey moves into the lead. For Moates, if he can stay where he is, he still stands to become the first American ever to win an overall Grand Prix championship here. And Moates is not going to give up. He's coming right back at Brad. And he's got him. He's gone by on the inside. Marty Moates, for the second time today, has lost the lead and regained it. And he's just done it against the man that many regard as the best in the world. This is unprecedented, perhaps, in the whole history of Grand Prix motocross for an outsider such as Marty Moates to win both motos in a race of this significance. And what's even more incredible is that back behind Moates, young Danny Laporte, the American who battled with him throughout much of the first moto, has moved back into third place in this moto, and he stands to finish second overall. So we're talking about two young men, neither of whom race regularly on the World Grand Prix circuit, who are going to score a 1-2 sweep for the United States here at Carlsbad. You know, Jeff, it's not at all unusual for crowds of up to 75,000 to turn out for motocross events in Europe. But this victory for Marty Moates is certainly going to do a great deal for the sport here in the United States.
It surely is. And the feeling that he's experiencing right now must be wonderful.
For the second time today, the checkered flag, the goggles into the crowd,